I figured I'd just pick up the camera today. And then go with butter.
That's a 99 overall. In the whole crew, what you gon' do? I don't get upset, I'm confused.
Y'all ever just be looking busted for days straight and then you just do a little something, like you do a little something, like not too much, and you like, wow, I ain't even have to do too much, like.
I don't get upset.
Then to the bun, the natural. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I am Amber Michelle. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And to all my returning girls, hey y'all, what's good? What's tea? What's up? So I figured I'd just pick up the camera today, start a little vloggy vlog. I don't know what we're gonna get into. As you can see, my room is coming together. I don't know if this video gonna be up before y'all really get to see the whole transformation of the room, whatever. But here it is. If you didn't know, I got my pictures up and my duvet, pillows. Oh, and then my mirror. The main attraction here is the mirror. Boom. But yeah, my apartment is coming together. Really nice, really cute. And yeah, oh, I got a new set, y'all. Brown. Some people thought it was black, but it's brown, a chocolate brown. I love that. And y'all, the almond shape. It's down. Okay, like, what? So yeah, today I don't really have no moves, no plans. I might hit the thrift store. I do need to, actually, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add, I'm not about to even say that I'm about to do that and then I end up not doing it. Okay, sorry, I just feel really pretty right now. Oh, like, what? This lip combo, let me, I'm all over the place, but y'all get the gist. Okay, so boom, this right here, mix. Okay, so this cranberry pie eats down by itself, like if you're going for it, just a dark lip, but not brown, but not burgundy either. Like, this is good in between. But me, I just this right here just does it for me when you combine these two together. So this is also NYX butter gloss. This one is vanilla cream pie. So y'all, holy grail, y'all, I'm never turning back. On the cheeks, I got on the y'all already know this Halo Smashbox. Ugh. Why is the light doing me like that? Okay, but yeah, I got this Halo Smashbox. What do you call this color? I think this is color blush. Ciao. Oh, it is. Okay, yeah. So you see it. It say blush on the back, and that's it. That's all. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? I did do a little concealer, but that is all. Like, literally just a little Tarte concealer right here, blush right there, lip gloss. Boom, done. Period. Face is giving for today. But yeah, we're probably about to just run some errands. I haven't decided if I want to cook a seafood boil or just go buy one. It's like, if I cook it, I could really, you know, but do I feel like doing that? That's what I'm trying to decide right now. Like, I don't know if that's what I'm trying to do. Y'all, I'm obsessed with these lashes from the TikTok shop. Like, go get y'all some. Like, these actually I put back on. I reused them. Let me show y'all how many come in here, how many I left, how many I done used already. Boom. I only use, oh, I guess that's about, no, less than half. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it comes with 7 pairs. I use 3, and these I'm re-wearing. Like, can you tell? Can you tell that I just put these back on? I don't think so. So yeah, that's pretty much the details of what I got going on right now. And then the scent of the day, I just threw on this little what is that? But I just threw on this little YSL Libre right here. Real cute, simple. And yeah, I'm feeling the face card, y'all. You can't tell. Why am I giving washed out? Am I too close? Okay, right here. But yeah, I'm feeling the face card today. What y'all think? What is it giving? Is it giving never decline? Y'all tell me. I think it's a combination of the edges being laid with the bun in the back, with the face. You know, like it's all just, it's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to, okay? But yeah, I don't really have no plans, honestly. I just felt like getting a little cute, but not too cute. You already know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing that brown jumpsuit, that brown sweatsuit. What about it? Because it matched my nails. It matches the vibe. It's fall. So don't come for me because I'm wearing this back to back in videos. It gets washed, okay? I'm not just throwing it back on. It gets washed every time. Luckily, y'all can't tell. It's not getting washed out, which means it's good quality material. But we are about to head out. I'm just going out just to go out. Like, I don't have no plans, no nothing. Yeah, I said I might go by the thrift store. I might go, I haven't decided if I want to cook a seafood. I don't want to cook a seafood boil. I'm not gonna lie. But I want a seafood boil. So probably gonna go get a seafood boil. But yeah, I'm just holler at y'all in a minute. Oh, she's cute. Like, y'all ever just be looking busted for days straight and then you just do a little something? Like, you do a little something, like not too much. And you like, wow, I ain't even have to do too much. Like, hey y'all, so back at the crib. Didn't really take y'all with me. I don't think that's gonna be this type of video. But we're just going to chill. Red crab. So let's just go ahead and do it real quick. Just little butter. Oh well, it's enough. Ah! Wait. Don't let me get out there in the crowd giving me the energy I need. What? Don't make me feel like I'm a girl. Wait. I'm going, what? Hey, y'all see that? Somebody get these heels off me. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm getting no gloves, nothing. Like, what is that about? Look at my side of butter. Water. Yeah, yeah. So I got snow crab, shrimp, sausage, potato, corn. You know how it goes. You know what it is. Y'all know how this goes. Let me get this surprise. Man, if you don't know, then now you know. Let me give y'all a quick close up in here. Then y'all gonna have to sit back and relax, okay? Crab, sausage, shrimp, corn, potatoes, eggs, and all of that. Yeah. Cute. She's cute. Okay.
The success that we're experiencing is so amazing. How's the baby? Getting so big, so tall, long
shrimp. You want? Whew. The spice. But wait. So you dip it in the sauce in here, like this sauce right here. Like dip the shrimp in here, and then dip the shrimp in the bottom. And if you want to be fancy, you could go back in here like that. Like that. When the food's so good, it makes you dance. It's so good. I wish I had gloves, like my nails. Yes. And you gotta dip the potato in the butter. You just got to. That's law. You get when it's open, you go back in the sauce. Like that. And then go in the butter. Like that. I wish I had some lemon. That'll really just take it over the top. Okay. I'm really trying not to get it on me. See that? That sausage is really good. I only got two, so I'm gonna savor that. I think I'm about to get some scissors. All that fighting for this little piece. Okay. I'm gonna call y'all back. Okay, y'all, so second attempt with these real quick. I had to call y'all back real quick because we got us one. Ooh. Dip it in the butter. That's what you do. And then back here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call y'all back for real this time. Okay, y'all about to do a little skincare before the night is. Yeah. So let's just get right into it. So let's just get into what we've been listening to. We've been on Brent, Mr. Christopher himself. Yes, album 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. So let's just start from the top because the intro is very strong. It's just like, I gotta play that first before I get into like other songs on here. So yeah.
Sonda.
This transition.
Are we done? It's a 99 overall.
99 overall.
It's a glad one walk in the whole crew. What you gon' do if I let you pass? You gon' wanna stay, you gon' wanna play.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I actually got some of these. These also came. I got some of these. These came on the TikTok shop. And it came in multiple colors. Got these. And these. One more. I got a white pair too, actually. But yeah. So that's that. But let's get into it. Put these on the wrist so the water don't drip. Okay.
Claps.
Don't care if I'm in the room. I don't get upset, don't care if you alone.
Set up trap, got it booming in temple. I'm tryna show her I like her, so I keep sending her roses, amber.